Hello friends, welcome to another episode of a quick review and unboxing. Today I will talk about the 1-72 scale Dassault Mirage 3E from Kovozávody Prostejov. This new release is a rebox of the 2015 RV aircraft kit. Let's check it out. I took a closer look and the moldings don't look that bad. There are visible burrs over all parts, so there will be a lot of work with cleaning. Another disadvantage is that the kit does not include any connecting joints. Next, I already started to build this kit, and the other big issue is the fit. If you decided to build it, be ready for some serious dry fitting before the assembly. It strongly reminds me of the old school kits from the 70s and 80s. The pros of this kit are the nicely detailed riveting, an option to build more versions of the aircraft, and the low price. Unfortunately, the kit doesn't include any weapons. The kit includes a resin ejection seat and a 2-piece cockpit canopy. The waterslide decals look nice and in good quality. There are 2 decal sheets, one with insignia's identification numbers and second includes technical stencils. Another surprise are the additional masks for the cockpit and wheels. The instruction manual is a little bit small and hard to read. Better is to check it out a couple of times before the build. You will avoid mistakes. On the last side of the manual are instructions for the technical stencils placement. On the back side of the box are 4 camouflage schemes. You can build an Argentinian, Lebanese, Pakistani or a Spanish Mirage. Unfortunately, the paint schemes don't include any specific color shades. Okay, the model is worth a try. Until then, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.